Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here. How you doing today? Glad to have you with us. We've had a lot of questions on the Blackstone griddle. It is awesome. We love it. We use it all the time, probably twice a week at least. And it takes a lot of mess out of the kitchen, that's for sure. Now, we're not being paid to share this. We're just doing it to give you some more information on, are they really worth having? Yes, they are, because we've had the tank of propane down there forever, it seems, and cooked multiple meals with it. So here's a couple tips with it, how to clean your Blackstone griddle. Very, very simple. You think it wouldn't be simple, but it is. Now, I leave my blue rags right underneath here. They work awesome. You can't beat these for being outside cooking, because you can use them over and over and over again. The ones you use to keep your hands clean while you're cooking, you use to clean the griddle. Now, I don't even have to fire this up to show you how easy it is to clean. Once you get your food all off, have your helper take the food inside. You take just 1 bottle of water, and you'll probably use half of it. And when the griddle's really hot and you've shut it all down, all you do is pour some water on top like this. You take your spatula, and if you're going to make smash burgers, you want to use that spatula right there. So once your water's on there, it'll start evaporating pretty quick. You just take your blue cloth and put it on top and do this number and clean it up good. Okay, with the water, it'll slide around there real nice. Get in there, get all the food around the corners, and then push it to the back tray. There's a tray back there. So once that's clean, then all you have to do is this. I keep a little jug of old French fry oil, and I pour a little bit on top, 1 line across there. And you may have to add a little more depending on how much you put on. But once you pour your oil on top, all you do is you can take the same cloth and go over it and mop it across the griddle until you cover the whole griddle with that oil. It's that simple. Then you're done. Another thing I want to share with you that's probably been one of the best things we've done for this griddle, and that is adding these stainless steel heat blockers. I call them, they're called back guards for a 36-inch griddle, and they're magnetized. And they go right on the ends, right up underneath. Let me show you. So that has magnets, strong earth magnets on it. You just take it, slide it up underneath the bottom of the griddle. They're stainless steel, so they will not rust. And that keeps a lot of your heat, because you'll waste a lot of heat. I don't know why they didn't come up with that at the beginning. The long ones go on the ends. The short ones go 1 each on side of the drip tray. I'll show you what I mean. The short ones go here so that it misses the hook to the drip tray. Awesome, awesome, awesome addition to keep a lot of the heat on your griddle instead of blowing through. And Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. It's very simple. You'll love having one of these. Blackstone for Christmas.
Tomorrow is Christmas. It's practically here.
Order it and have that thing there and ready to go. As far as keeping it in shape so there's no rust or anything on the outside, we spray the whole thing down with Planet Safe, and it's safe around your cooking. Every joint, every welded joint, every leg, every wheel, everything is sprayed down with it, just a slight mist. And you don't have to worry about it ever rusting if you're going to leave it outside. So that's it, my friends, and as we always say, Mr. Know-It-All, out.